Всіх вітаю на каналі Linguadom English Channel. Сьогодні ми вирушаємо у невеличку подорож на природу. Будемо вивчати нові слова англійською. Не просто називати окремі слова, а бачити, як вони працюють у реченнях. Слухай, дивись і повторюй. Look, a big tree. Tree. Дерево. The tree is near a river. River. Річка. There are flowers by the river. Flower. Квітка. Far away I see a mountain. Mountain. Гора. The mountain is behind the forest. Forest. Ліс. Next to the forest there is a lake. Lake. Озеро. The sky is blue above the lake. Sky. Небо. A leaf falls from a tree. Leaf. Листок. The leaf lands on the grass. Grass. Трава. Beside the grass there is a stone. Stone. Камінь. After the forest we find a beach. Beach. Пляж. The beach is next to the ocean. Ocean. Океан. The sea is big and blue. Sea. Море. Far away there is a small island. Island. Острів. On the island there is a waterfall. Waterfall. Водоспад. Near the waterfall there is a valley. Valley. Долина. The valley has green hills. Hill. Пагорб. One hill has a cave inside. Cave. Печера. Far from here there is a desert. Desert. Пустеля. The desert ends at a volcano. Volcano. Вулкан. We walk near a high cliff. Cliff. Скеля. A small stream flows near the cliff. Stream. Струмок. The stream goes past a big field. Field. Поле. Next to the field, we see a green meadow. Meadow. Луг. A path goes through the meadow. Path. Стежка. The path is made of soft soil. Soil. Ґрунт. We walk on the warm earth. Earth. Земля. Next to the path there is a bush. bush – кущ. The bush has long roots. Root – корінь. A bird sits in its nest inside the bush. Nest – гніздо. A long branch hangs from the tree. Branch – гілка. The bark on the tree is brown and rough. Bark – кора. The branch grows from the thick trunk. Trunk – стовбур. A cone lies near the tree trunk. Cone – шишка. Green moss covers part of the trunk. Moss – мох. A mushroom grows near the moss. Mushroom – гриб. We sit to rest on a tree stump. Stump – пень. A vine climbs around the stump. Vine – лоза. We look up and see a wide, beautiful landscape. Landscape – краєвид. In the middle of the forest, we find a quiet clearing. Clearing – галявина. We walk down into a white plain under the sky. Plain – рівнина. Pebbles lie near a small stream in the valley. Pebble – галька. We climb a gentle slope covered with grass. Slope – схил. At the top, we find warm sand under our feet. Sand – пісок. We walk along the shore of a quiet lake. Shore – берег. Near the shore, there is a swamp with tall grass. Swamp – болото. Our shoes get muddy as we step near the swamp. Mud – бруд. We leave the wet ground and walk into the grassland. Grassland – steppe. The terrain here is flat and easy to walk on. Terrain – місцевість. We love exploring and learning about nature. Nature – природа. Ми розглянули 50 слів англійською на тему «Природа». Повертайся до відео, коли захочеш пригадати нові слова. Навчайся поступово, регулярно, і результат обов'язково буде. Підписуйся, якщо хочеш і далі вивчати англійську просто і зрозуміло. Твій лайк підкаже, що такі відео потрібні, а коментар допоможе зробити наступні ще кориснішими.